Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had explained you the story, The Lady or the Tiger, page number 19 and 20. Today, I will explain you page number 21, the second stanza. Look at the book, the page, second stanza. He was tall, handsome, and the bravest of the men. Those who saw him were not surprised that the princess had fallen in love with him. What a terrible fate for him to be there. So he was tall, handsome, and the bravest of the men means the young about is telling about the young men. It is not surprised that why the princess had fallen in love for him. It's a terrible fate for him to be there. It's means by mistake, by bad luck, it was happened with him to put in the prison the young man, because every correct whatever a royal family people have be there, everything we can see that young man, except he is not belong to a royal family or noble family. He was a commoner. As the young man entered the public arena, he turned to be bent to the king, but he did not think of the great ruler at all. Instead, the young man's eyes were fixed on the princess, who sat to the right of her father. So, when he entered the public arena, he turned and bent to the king, but not for a king ruler. He was a ruler for that matter. Instead, that his eyes, the young man's eyes, are fixed for the princess, who was sitting right of her father. Means right of the father. Right of her father means the king. Right of the father. From the day when the young man was put in prison, he and the princess had decided that the princess would find out which door would hide the tiger and tell him. So when he put inside the prison, after that he and the princess, that young man and the princess, both have decided to each other that the princess will find out at which door for the tiger hide the tiger and inform to the young man. The princess had more power and influence than anyone else. After briefing, she had found out the secret of the doors. She knew behind which door stood the tiger and behind which awaited the lady. So the princess has more power and she has influence for anyone else more. After briefing, she had found that the secret of the doors. Briefing means illegally give the money to somebody and get the secret which doors the tiger or which door the lady was waiting. The princess knew something else too. She knew who the maiden behind the other door was. This maiden was the loveliest one in the kingdom, and she too loved the same man. Now and then the princess had seen her looking at and talking to him. So after that, she got it the new means clue which door had the maiden and which door the tiger. The This maiden was the loveliest one in the kingdom, and she too loved the same man. Now and then the princess had seen her looking at and talking to him. So the maiden was a famous or popular in the kingdom. Miss loveliest means like that only in that kingdom, and she also too loved the same man, means that young man. Now and then the princess had seen her looking at and talking to him. And after that, the princess had seen that maiden with him, the young man, and talking to each other. Talking with him means talking with that young man. Turn the page, page number 22. The princess hated the woman behind that silent door. She hated her with all her heart. Obviously, the princess had hated that woman in that silent door, opposite door. She hated her with all her heart. By heart only, she hated that lady, means that maiden. When in the arena, the young man turned to look at the princess for the clue to the door that would save his life. He said only one word, which? It was as clear to her as if he had shouted it from where he stood. There were very little time left. So what happened? When the again the next day, when he came to arena to look at the princess to give the clue which door have to save for him, and he said by clue which. It was clear to her, means for princess, because he couldn't shout there because time was very little to left there. The princess raised her hand and made a short and quick movement towards the right. No one but the man saw it. Everyone eye was fixed on the man in the arena. The princess raised hand and showed the clue which door safe for him. But the man saw it. Only that man saw the clue. But others, everybody, that people, their eyes fixed for the man in the arena. That young, they are fully, that totally they are seeing to the young man. He turned and with firm and quick steps he walked across the empty space. Every heart stopped beating. Every eye was fixed upon that man. He went to the door on the right and opened it. So he turned and just few steps, that empty steps space he went there in front of the door. Every heart stopped beating. Means how many there gathered people, all are heart beating are stopped. Every eye was fixed upon that man. Every eye is also fixed upon that man. What will be happen for him? He went to the door on the right and opened it. He went at the right door and opened. Now the point of the story is this: did the tiger come out of the door or the lady? So when he opened the door, what come out? Tiger or the lady? What do you think happened next? Was the young man betrayed by the one he loved and eaten by the hungry tiger? Or did he open the door which hid the young maiden and marry her? So what will be happen for him? That person, that young man who he loved, he was betrayed, means cheating with him. He was pushed him by the hungry tiger or the maiden to marry her. Before you decide, think about this. Matters of love and pride are very sensitive. The princess was the daughter of a proud king. How could she see the man she loved marry someone else? How could she see someone whom she hated steal her own happiness? She was jealous, but then the princess truly loved the young man and had promised to save him. Could she let him die? Okay, so now this question coming, what's the matter? Or that she was pride, that princess was the pride and very sensitive. The princess was the daughter of a proud king. How could she see the man she loved marry someone else? How could she see someone whom she hated steal her own happiness? She was jealous, but then the princess truly loved the young man and had promised to save him. But the princess promised to him he would be save the young man. Could she let him die? She can give to die him. Another thing you should know before deciding is that the princess had given the hint quickly. She had already decided her answer. She had known she would be asked. She had decided how she would answer and moved her hand accordingly. So another thing is that um, before deciding is that the princess had given hints quickly. Very fast she has given the decision what she thought. She had already decided her answer and she had known would be asked. She had decided how would answer and moved her hand accordingly. Her decision was not lightly made, and it is not for me to resolve it for you. I leave it to you to decide which come out of the open door, the lady or the tiger. So now decision is coming for I am giving the questions to you. I am leaving the decision for you. Which came out of the open door, the lady or the tiger? Now, children, you have to think yourself the story and find out the correct answer. Which came out of the open door, the lady or the tiger? You have to decision yourself and read the story properly. You can find out the answer. Written by Frank R. Stockton. Okay, children. Bye. No more today.